One thing that makes me especially interested in human goals is that they exist in a hierarchy. I mean, picture a pyramid in your head of goals. From the very bottom level, low-level goals, I would call them. They're very specific, concrete things on your to-do list. To be gritty is not to hold steadfast to your to-do list goals. You know, call that person back, write that email. To be gritty is to have a well-organized and aligned pyramid of goals where the low-level goals serve mid-level goals and the mid-level goals serve higher-level goals. Ultimately, you have what some scientists like to call an ultimate concern. And that goal is the one that you're tenacious about, that you are stubborn about, that you wake up in the morning and go to bed at night aligned to, even if you have to switch out one of the low-level goals because it's just not working. Returning again and again to this question, well, what is my top-level goal? Like, what am I all about? Is a tremendously powerful exercise. You should ask yourself to keep coming back until you get to a phrase of, I would recommend, 10 words or fewer, that says, this is who I am. And every small decision adds up to furthering this goal, which is my ultimate concern. When I remember what my top-level goal is, it helps me make decisions all the way down the tree. My top-level goal is to help children thrive using psychological science. And every small decision that I need to make today or tomorrow, if I put it to that test, does this or does this not further that top-level goal, I completely have my priorities in order.